Hello friends, this is Sanjay Rampal and you are watching to the Sanjay Rampal podcast. Here we talk about positive thinking, life lessons and motivation that can bring change your daily life. Stay connected for more inspiring conversation. Film and TV actor who worked with Amitabh Bachchan and Sri Devi was not at a peace with fame, left showbiz at the peak of his career and embraced the spirituality conversation. Film and TV actor who worked with Amitabh Bachchan and Sri Devi was not at peace with fame, left showbiz at the peak of his career and embraced the spirituality. Mangal Dhillon was one of the most prominent television actors of his time, known for iconic serials like Bunyad, Junoon and Noor Jahan. At the peak of his career, he was also among the highest paid actors on Indian television. Whenever Mangal Dhillon appeared on screen, the first thing audiences noticed was his commanding baritone voice, a prominent figure in Indian television and film during the 1980s and 90s. Mangal worked alongside legendary actors like Amitabh Bachchan, Rekha, Sunny Deol and Anil Kapoor. Yet, despite his remarkable body of work, it's disheartening that today few in the industry seem to remember the late actor. Born on June 18, 1957 in the village of Wada Jatana, Punjab, Mangal was a bright student. His father envisioned a future for him in law enforcement or the legal profession. But Mangal was drawn to the arts from an early age, participating in school plays and honing his love for performance. He studied at Grand Kala Government School until the 4th standard before moving to Lakhimpur, Uttar Pradesh, near his father, from where he completed his SSC. He later returned to Punjab for his higher secondary education and graduated from Muktsar Government College. His passion for acting eventually led him to the Indian Theatre Department at Punjab University, Chandigarh. There he completed a postgraduate diploma course in acting 1980 and was awarded a gold medal for his exceptional performance by the university's drama department. It is also believed by some that during this period, Mangal Dhillon was engaged to actress Meeta Vasisth through an engagement was eventually called off. He later moved to Delhi where he became active in the city's thriving theatre circuit and also took on voice work in commercials. His rich, powerful voice quickly gained attention and soon he was recruited by Doordarshan as newsreader. Mangal's first acting break on television came in the form of the serial Katha Sagar, where he appeared into the episode, but his being back through came when he was cast in Ramesh Sippy's iconic television drama Bunyad. His portrayal of Lubhaya Ram became immensely popular, marking a turning point in his career. Offers began pouring in, and Mangal went on to star in several acclaimed TV shows, including Junoon, where his role as Sumer Rajwans made a strong impression. Mangal Dhillon also appeared in The Great Maratha, directed by the legendary Feroz Khan, and played the titular role in the 1996 serial Pather. As his popularity on television showed, it was only a matter of time before the film industry came calling. He made his silver screen debut in Rakesh Roshan's Khoon Bhari Mang, co-starring Rekha and Kabir Bedi. That same year, he started opposite Dimple Kapadia in Jakhmi Aurat, a performance that was widely appreciated. In 1989, he appeared in Kumar Sahani's art house films Khayal Gatha. Alongside Mita Vasisht, he was also part of the 1992 commercial blockbuster Vishwatma, directed by Rajiv Rai. In addition to acting, Mangal also ventured into writing. He penned the script for Heer Ranjha, which starred Anil Kapoor and Sridevi. Unfortunately, the film did not fare well at the box office. Despite such occasional setbacks, Mangal continued to grow as an actor and became one of the highest paid television stars of his time. However, even with fame and success, he felt a deep sense of spiritual restlessness was contribute to society, and his faith is directed a documentary in 1999 titled Khalsa, based on the life and teaching of Guru Gobind Singh the Overwhelming. Response to the project prompted him to leave the glamorous world of cinema behind. His final television appearance came in 2000 in the series Noor Jahan, where he portrayed Emperor Akbar. His last film role was in 2003 Janshin. After stepping away from the entertainment industry, Mangal dedicated himself to humanitarian and religious work. He directed numerous documentaries focused on Sikhism and launched a YouTube channel in 2009 where he shared motivational talks and life guidance. Later in life, Mangal was diagnosed with cancer. He passed away in 2023. Following his passing, Dr. Balbir Saha, a retired pathologist from DMCH Ludhiana, shared his memories of Mangal in the heartfelt statement to the Indian Express. He used to bring many patients to our nursing home as he was concerned about the health of the people around him. During such meetings, we used to discuss day-to-day problems like how to rid the society of drug abuse. He was aware of the problem of farmers and had concern from them. He used to talk about corruption and deteriorating ethical values in society. Perhaps he had plans to work on these subjects as well, but life is short. You never know what is going to happen next moment. Many a time he used to deliver his films, dialogues, and entertain us. I was highly impressed with his simplicity. So thank you very much for this watching Sanjay Rampal podcast. Then so take care. Bye. See ya. Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Take care.